What is up, guys? ChowderReviews here, gonna bring you a unboxing and a quick review of the Samsung Galaxy J3 Prime. So the target audience for this phone is gonna be like your lower range of smartphones. You're not gonna be dishing out that much cash for, but you're also not expecting too much. But there's also all the basic features that a smartphone's gonna get. So there's the phone. I'm gonna set that aside for now. And underneath, you got your typical shit. You got your SIM card, your quick start menus, your charging cable. This phone is just micro USB. It's not Type C, so it's USB Type A to just micro USB. Your charging brick, and the thing I like the best is the external battery. So the reason why I love the external battery so much is because first of all, it's a decent sized external battery. It's 2600 milliamp hour, and for those of you that don't know, that's a pretty decent sized battery for a lower range phone that isn't that big. And also, I love back when all phones had external batteries. You would charge up your external battery at night, and you also charge up your phone. And when you went about your day, you pack up your extra external battery, and as soon as your phone battery died, you could just swap that sucker out for your charged up external battery, and then your phone is at 100% again. Those were really good times, but unfortunately now most modern smartphones are unibody cases that are metal and they do not come apart, so they have an embedded battery. But enough of that. Here you go, watch me struggle to open the battery and throw it in, but we will skip that part to where I actually successfully put the battery in. So while I go about doing that, let me go over the specs real quick. It features a 720p 5-inch display. That's a TFT panel, so nothing too special. A Gorilla Glass 5 megapixel camera with 1080p video and 30 fps. 2 megapixel front-facing camera, 16 gigabytes internal storage, also features expandable storage, and Bluetooth 4.2. So if we make our way around the phone, there's nothing too special about the front, just 2 capacitive buttons and that hard button, your micro USB port at the bottom with a headphone jack, power button on the side with the speaker. Making our way to the top, we have that secondary microphone, which I believe is used to cancel us down during phone calls, and on the left hand side we have the volume rocker. So that kind of wraps it up for this phone. And if you have any questions about this phone or smartphones in general, please do not hesitate to ask down below in the comment section. I will try my very best to answer all your questions, but at the very least I'll read every single question, and if I can't answer, I'm sure someone else would be delighted to answer your question. And finally, I give this phone a rating of 5 out of engineering student. I feel like it's a solid value for the price you're paying, however it's not powerful enough for a lot of us tech nerds out there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a like or whatever you call it. If you really hated it, you can give it a thumbs down. I don't mind criticism, but if you want more content from me, please subscribe because I will be putting out more content in the near future. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it, and hope you have a good day. Thank you, bye.